most of which look more like a Chinese fire drill than anything you're going to see here. Shouldn't be that way. Everybody who rides a motorcycle should know these techniques. You ride with friends, and your life depends on their abilities. If they have no abilities, I don't know if I want them behind me. This is complete control of the motorcycle. You can do this at 5 miles an hour. Believe me, 100 miles an hour is easy. We have the Ride Like a Pro video on sale here, folks, for $25, saving $5 over the internet price. We also have Surviving the Mean Streets that will show you these techniques used out in the real world. That's just $20. And we got Ride Like a Pro on the Tail of the Dragon. Shows you these techniques used at high speeds on a winding mountain road. Again, $20. And a brand new release. Shortcuts to Riding Like a Pro will have you whipping those U-turns with about 20 minutes of practice. Buy the entire set of videos, save $20 over the internet price, and we'll throw in a 5th DVD, a bonus DVD, absolutely free. If you think riding a motorcycle is fun now, just imagine if you actually knew what the hell you were doing. I guarantee you it's a lot more fun then. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope I made you laugh. I hope you learned something at the same time. This is your chance to get the DVD. In fact, I'm going to sweeten this a little bit more. First 3 customers up there, even if you bought 1 DVD, we're going to give you a bonus.